If you're tired of using the same popular brush pens and sketchbooks, here are 10 underrated art supplies that deserve some time in the spotlight. If you want to see more underrated stationery, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Alright, let's get started. Art pencil. The Uni penmanship writing pencil was made for handwriting, but it's a fantastic pencil for sketching too. You can pick between buttery smooth 4B or 6B leads that leave rich, dark marks and expressive lines. The pencil comes in your choice of a traditional hexagonal or ergonomic triangular shape. Brush pen. Acacia is known for making excellent brush pens, and the Psi Thin Line is no exception. Like its name suggests, the extra fine brush tip is particularly useful for adding precise details, but its elastic bristles provide plenty of line variation. The soft, off-black shades add a hint of color to your art. Colored pencil. Tombow Irojiten color pencils are beloved for their luxurious packaging and array of colors, but their firm cores may not match everyone's taste. Enter the Uni Art Erase color pencil. Its remarkably smooth core creates creamy, vibrant lines that can be layered and blended with ease. As an added bonus, all of these colored pencils are erasable. Drawing ink. If you prefer using old-school nibs to outline your sketches, a liquid ink like the IC Comic Premium Black is a necessity. The rich black ink dries quickly to a matte finish and is resistant to feathering. The 3 inks are formulated for specific uses: outlining, filling in large areas, and drawing over screen tones. They have different properties, so be sure to pick the right one for what you're doing. Drawing pen. Marvy is best known for their mastery of markers like the Le Pen, and it's no wonder that this expertise extends to their technical drawing pen. Like any good drawing pen, it comes in a variety of tip sizes from minuscule 0.03 millimeters to bold 0.8 millimeters. This drawing pen even comes in an expressive brush version. The ink is permanent when dry and is both Copic-proof and waterproof, making it good for watercolors too. Eraser. Don't be fooled by the Hwarang Design Art Soft Eraser's humble looks. This eraser removes lead marks with little effort and minimal smudging. It works especially well with the soft leads typically used in drawing. We especially like its blocky shape, which is easy to hold while erasing large areas and small details. Non-photo blue pencil. The Staedtler non-photo blue pencil is an indispensable tool for artists who scan their artwork. The core is smooth and soft, so you can produce expressive strokes even in your sketches. The light blue color is easily edited out of scanned images, so you can ink or color in your artwork digitally. Paint marker. The Uni Posca deserves a lot of love, but the Pilot Juice paint marker deserves just as much attention. The chunky, hexagonal barrels are easy to hold and won't roll away when placed on your desk. They come in 24 fun colors, including pastel hues and metallic finishes. You can pick between extra fine or fine tips to fill in your candy-colored art. Sketchbook. Have you heard about the Zhuang series sketchpad? It's packed with 50 sheets of heavyweight paper, great for anything from mixed media to watercolors. The glue-bound pads let you tear out individual sheets cleanly so you can frame your art or give it to friends. Watercolor. If you enjoy the Kuretake Gansai Tambi, you should add a palette of Acacia Gansai watercolors to your kit. These traditional watercolor pans replicate the rich and nuanced colors of nature and are excellent for etegami and sumie illustrations. You can also replace empty pans of your most used colors or sample the watercolors by buying individual pans rather than an entire set. What's an underrated art supply that you use? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear about it. Check out all of these items and more at JetPens.com. Thanks for watching!